Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. It could be a business page or a personal page, maybe for yourself, but you can do this right on your mobile. And if you find this video helpful, at the end of this video please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. That is how you give back to the community. Alright, with that out of the way, let's get started. And you want to go ahead and download and install your Facebook page on your mobile phone, and then you want to go ahead and open it and click on these three lines right here. You want to look for pages and click on it, and then you want to navigate to create page and click on it, and then you want to go ahead and hit get started. You want to choose a name for your Facebook page. Okay, let's say you are a shopkeeper or a real estate company. You want to go ahead and choose a name for your page. Okay, so once you're done choosing a name, you want to go ahead and hit next. Here you want to go ahead and choose what category best describes your business. Here you can see a list of popular categories. You can see musician / band, health and beauty, grocery store. I want to say real estate. Alright, you can see real estate company, so it could be a real estate agent or a company. Okay, let's go for real estate agent, and you can choose many more categories as it applies to your business. Once you're satisfied, you want to go ahead and click on create. Alright, so here you can add your bio, contact information, your email, and your location. Your website can be here. Alright, so I'm not gonna be filling this once. I just want to show you how to do it. So we're gonna click on next. This is Jump Properties, and you can edit action button. You want to go ahead and click on that, and then you want to go ahead and try it. So there are actions that you can require people to take when they visit your page. They can sign up for a particular giveaway, they could start an order, they could view the shop, get tickets, can get people to contact you through messages, by sending you a WhatsApp message, by calling you now, sending you an email, and the list goes on. So let's say we want them to send you messages. Alright, let's say we want them to send you messages. Want to go ahead and click on next, and then you want to click on save. Alright, so you can go ahead and click this button to add a banner. There's a dimension for it. You want to get a graphics designer to do it for you, or you can use Canva to do it. They have free templates, so you can just go ahead and select the right dimension and go ahead and create one for yourself. You can also go ahead and click this button right here to update a profile picture for your business to make it more appealing and help more people find your business. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on next, and you can choose to invite friends by building your page audience. That is also helpful for your business. Your current immediate friends get to know that you just created a page, and they'll be the first people who follow you and help you build that first audience that you need to move forward. And once you've done that, you want to go ahead and click on next. So you just want to leave this checked, and you want to go ahead and click on done. So it's switching from my personal profile now to this business profile. Okay, now we don't want to start any tour, so I'm going to click away from that. You can click right here where we have this three dots, and you can see edit action button, archive, viewers, and a host of other options, and you can see your Facebook page link right here. And you want to go ahead and click on edit. So right here you can add so many other things. You remember I didn't add them at the start of this video, but you can always change every single thing. Okay, so you can just click here to edit your profile picture, click here to add a cover photo. You can update your bio by simply clicking on add, and also edit your page details by clicking here. You can add address for your business, phone number, email, the opening and closing hours for your business, and you can also add price range for your product and services, and you can also add a list of services that you offer on this page. Okay, and you can do that by simply clicking on the edit button right here. You can go ahead and add your hobbies if you want to, but that is not necessary for your business. Alright, so once you're done, you can go ahead and also add link for your business, okay, if you have a website or something. Alright, so once you're done, you want to go back. You can also go ahead and add a short description for your business. That is very necessary. And once you're done, you want to go ahead and click on this back button right here. You want to go ahead and click back again. To promote your page, you want to go ahead and click here to promote your page. And then to see your dashboard, you want to go ahead and click on see dashboard. So here you can see the number of steps you've completed so far, and you can click on continue to continue adding everything. Here you can see your tools shortcuts. You can see the events, job, page access, and linked accounts. So here your page overview, your reach, each post you send out there. You can see how many people you reach here, the engagement. You can see new followers right here, and you can go ahead and click this button to see more insights, okay? And if you scroll down here, you can choose your moderators. Maybe if you want to add somebody to help manage this page, maybe a social media manager, you can go ahead and click here to add them. And then you want to go back, and then once you're here, you want to scroll down. Right here you can edit public details, okay? You can see your post, your about, your photos, and mentions. Alright guys, this is how to create a Facebook page and set it up for your business. Please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.